our strongest 23 for this game. It's a nice blend of experience and youth. We feel like we've got the balance right. We've had a rigorous week's preparation, physically and mentally, and we think we're right to play against Wales on the weekend.
You know, they've come 15 games unbeaten. Their side playing with confidence, a huge amount of self-belief, and they've got across the line against France. And I think that you know, there was in the first games of the weekend, there's almost a rustiness about you, and certainly, you know, I think that you know, we saw elements of that, but I got no doubt that they will be ready for this game.